Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering the photos you want to share and placing them into one folder. That makes permissions simpler. Once the folder exists, open Google Drive on web or the app and navigate to it. Make sure you are signed into the account you want to share from, otherwise permissions will link to the wrong owner. Next, right-click the folder or tap the three dots. Choose Share to begin setting who can view or edit, because this controls access and avoids accidental edits. You now control who can do what. Invite friends by email and assign viewer, commenter, or editor roles depending on whether they should download or modify files. Once done, consider link sharing for quick access. Set it to restricted to keep control, or anyone with the link for convenience. Make sure to adjust expiration dates or disable editors if you need temporary access. Also, click Advanced or Settings to prevent editors from changing permissions or downloading when privacy matters. You can share by copying the generated link or sending invite emails directly. If you paste into chat, remind recipients of the permission level. Once shared, test access yourself in an incognito window or a secondary account to confirm settings. If someone can't open photos, make sure the folder's sharing isn't more restrictive than the files inside, and resend invites if necessary. As a key tip, if permissions look correct but still fail, revoke, and re-add the person. That often clears cached permission errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.